Good morning, students. As you know, fifth chapter of first flight is going on. The name of the chapter is 100 Dresses Part 1. Now we have already completed 3 parts and now I'm going to start from the next part. And in my last video I told you that how Peggy and Maddie used to wait for Vanda to have fun with her, and there were so many thoughts in Maddie's mind. She didn't like although, and they were thinking about how Vanda tell them about the 100 dresses. Okay, but Maddie wanted Peggy to stop teasing Vanda Petronsky. And as you know, they used to wait for Vanda to have fun with her. So now it was the next day, Wednesday. They were late to school, but although they had been late to school, but Maddie was happy that they had not had to make fun of Vanda. And in school, while she was doing her arithmetic work, she was not in her mind. She was just trying to concentrate, but her mind was on another side. She was wishing that Peggy should stop asking these questions to Vanda. So, because she was not having courage to stop Peggy from doing this, she wanted to write a note for her. Okay, as I have told you, she never would have the courage to stop Peggy for doing these things. So she wanted to write a note for her. She did not Peggy that she should ask her how many dresses she has. After completing her arithmetic work, she started to write a note to Peggy. But suddenly she stopped herself. She shuddered, she shivered, and began to picture herself in the schoolyard, a new target for Peggy and the girls. She thought, suppose she stops Peggy from doing so, she may be her next target. Maddie may be her next target. And the other girls also. Because now she is Peggy's friend, that's why nobody can say anything. But if Peggy will be angry with her, then Peggy and other girls may ask her about her condition. They may target her. So she was thinking about that and shivered. She was thinking Peggy may ask her where she got the dress that she had on. And Maddie would have to say it was one of Peggy's old dress, which Maddie's mother had tried to disguise with new trimmings so no one in room 13 would recognize it. Means she used to, as I have told you, wear the hand her down dresses. Means suppose someone has old dress, she used to take it and her mother used to make some changes with trimmings and other things in it, so the students in the class could not identify that whose dress is that. Now she thinks, Maddie thinks, if only Peggy would decide of her accord to stop having fun with Bender. Okay, now she is thinking that Peggy should herself stop having fun with Bender. Because there were so many thoughts in her mind She ran her hand into her hair as she wanted to get these thoughts away from her mind. These uncomfortable thoughts she was having, she wanted to push them away from her mind. Then she thought, what is the different? What different it will make? Now she tore the note into pieces. She had started to write for Peggy. She thought she was Peggy's best friend, and Peggy was the best liked girl in the whole room. Peggy could not possibly do anything that was really wrong, she thought. Okay, she was thinking that maybe she is thinking too much. Peggy cannot do anything wrong. Okay, in my next video, I'll tell you.